2018 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, power liftgate, remote start, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, fog lights, compass, electronic stability control, power windows, heated front seats, trip computer, brake assist, power moonroof, overhead console, remote keyless entry. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.